Meet the Rohde Schwarz MXO3 oscilloscope, part of the next generation family of MXO oscilloscopes. The MXO3 combines all of the capabilities of the 4 and 5 series in an even more compact form factor. It offers up to 8 channels, 1 GHz bandwidth, 12-bit standard ADC, 125 megapoints per channel, and up to 4.5 million waveforms per second. These give just a glance into powerful capabilities of the MXO. With 16-channel logic analysis and a built-in generator, the debug and analysis capabilities are endless. Utilize the fast and precise power of the MXO oscilloscope all within a compact form factor. Check out the MXO3 oscilloscopes in your lab. See the difference.